Hi everybody! Welcome back to the Koobee Kids Fun Learning Channel with me, Koobee. Today I'm at the beach and I want to build a sandcastle. But I didn't bring any tools with me. Oh no! Oh no! Wait a minute, I've got this Tupperware with blueberries. A Tupperware container is all that you need to build a sandcastle. Let's do it. I guess I gotta eat these blueberries first. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I love blueberries. And now I have this empty Tupperware container that I can use to build an amazing sandcastle. Come on, let me show you how. Let's start by digging a square in the sand and piling all of the sand in the middle. Now that we've dug a square or a rectangle shape in the ground and put the sand pile in the middle, we want to get some water to put on top to make the sand wetter. I'll use this Tupperware to go and collect some water from the ocean. I started the castle with the treasure chest inside for fun, fun, fun. But I'm gonna move it to the outside now so I can pour this water on. Here we go. I'm gonna dump out the water. Let me get some more water. You can stay here. I got some more water. I'm gonna dump it on the sand to make it wetter so that it's better for shaping into a castle. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of that wet sand and make a tower with the Tupperware. Let's put one tower on each of the four corners. We can also use the Tupperware to shape the castle walls and towers. Oh no, the tower broke. I think that's because it wasn't wet enough. Dry sand doesn't make a sandcastle as good as wet sand does. I'm gonna go back to the ocean and get more water for wetter sand. I'm gonna pour it on this side where it's too dry. Oh yeah! Now let's use the Tupperware to shape some walls in between the towers. It's starting to look like a fun sandcastle. It's got that big tower in the middle. And then let's put a drawbridge over the moat here at the front. The moat is the trench that goes around the castle to stop people from getting in easily. It's looking pretty good. Next, we can search nature to find fun objects like shells, pieces of wood, stones, feathers, or leaves to add to our sandcastle. Come and search with me. Fun, fun, fun! There's always lots of fun objects that you can find on the beach, where the ocean meets the sand, meets the sky. Let's see what we can find on the ground. It's a bird feather. Fun, fun, fun. It's a beautiful shell from the ocean. Another feather. Oh, look at this. It's the body of a crab. Amazing! Let's get some more shells here. Another feather. Whoa! Look what I found! It's a mini disco ball! Who would have thought to find this on the beach? We can make use of it in our sandcastle for extra fun. Let's go! When hunting for nature treasures, you'll often find seashells down by the beach, by the water, and you'll find sticks and leaves and woody things close to the trees. Let's see what we can find close to these trees. It's bark from a tree. Fun, fun, fun! Oh yeah! I found these great sticks and bark and leaves. Let's go and add them to the sandcastle. Fun, fun, fun! Now that we've found so many nature objects, let's add them to the sandcastle. I have some big pieces of bark I'm gonna put on the inside of the walls. I found a bunch of leaves. I'm gonna put them on the backside as the forest section of the castle. Fun, fun, fun. I got some more bark too. Let's put them on the sides of this big central tower. Got these 4 feathers. Let's put one in each of the corner towers. Got some shells. Where should I put them? Let's put them around the central courtyard. I used the big one as a door for the main tower. Let's use sticks to make a road on the drawbridge and out of the castle. I think I'm gonna dig the road out a little bit with the Tupperware so it looks darker. Fun, fun, fun. What else do we have? Oh yeah, the crabs and the disco ball. I found this big crab shell and this tiny crab shell. It's so tiny. Let's put them in front of the door to the main tower. Amazing! Okay, one last object. This silly disco ball that we found on the beach. Let's put it right on top. Ta-da! What an amazing sandcastle we made with only a Tupperware container. If you find yourself at the beach without the proper tools, you can still improvise if you have a Tupperware container or a cup or even a spoon you could do a tiny castle with. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, what's down here? It's a treasure chest. I wonder what's inside.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Fun for you, fun for me.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Let's open it up and see.
Dinosaurs! Amazing! Let's add the dinosaurs to our sandcastle. First up, we have a blue brontosaurus. Next, we have a stegosaurus. I can tell because he's got these big spikes all along his back. Oh! There's a second Stegosaurus. Let's put them on both sides of the gate as the castle guards. It's a red velociraptor. Rawr. Let's put him outside the castle. Oh yeah! It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. He should go in front of the main tower. There's one more dinosaur inside the treasure chest. It's a pterodactyl, a flying dino with wings and a big beak and a big back of his head. He's gonna fly above the castle and admire its beauty. Fun, fun, fun. I am so happy to be here on the beach building sandcastles. Let's take a moment to give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
I am so grateful for the beach and the ocean and living here in Vancouver, Canada. And I'm grateful for you for joining me on this fun learning adventure of life. Thank you so much for joining me on the Koobee Kids Fun Learning Channel. I hope you enjoyed building this epic sandcastle using only a Tupperware and objects that we found here at the beach. If you've had a good time watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click that red subscribe button down there because we have a lot more amazing videos coming your way soon. Bye, bye, bye.
Koobee Kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun.